Okay, here we are. Here's another update on my layout. So I'm currently in the process of doing the plastering, doing the mountains. As you can see, I'm using the plaster cast that most people use these days. This is a little bit more easier to work with regards to making the molds for mountains overall. But using the tried and trusty polystyrene as well, that's always a way to go. So I pretty much just layered a lot of polystyrene over to do the molds, and I'm pretty happy with the progress so far. Look, as you can see the perforations, the holes where the actual mesh of the plaster cast is. So I'm essentially going to be doing another layer of that, not with plaster cast, but just straight up modeling plaster. So then I'll be using what a lot of landscapers do when they do dioramas, scraping it with a scalpel to essentially make the rocky edging and so on look a bit more effective than most. So probably one of the key features that I really love about this, what I've done, is that accessibility, as we know, can be, in case of a derailment, can be a bit of an issue. So using this section as an example, I'm going to have a cutting basically through here, so it's easy enough for me to actually get access should there be a derailment. Also with here as well, right in the corner, that's where the controllers are. Excuse all the mess in there, but there is a track, and probably what I'm most happy with is just this section over here right in the middle. So I'm going to have a little township right in the corner. But as you can see, this whole section there is very condensed with mountains, and you've got a couple of tunnel portals here and here that essentially come out the back end as well. So what I had to do was I chose to make a section that I could actually lift out, and I'm pretty happy with the result and the way it sits. But I can essentially lift out that whole section, so that gives me access should there be a derailment overall. But I'm pretty happy with how that all turned out. Actually fits in there nice and snug on the actual tunnel entrances there. Now if I can multitask and put that back on to look as seamless as possible, then my job is done. So there we go. So that sits on there. I'll clean that up. Obviously, I'm pretty happy with how that turned out actually. So yeah, I'll spend a bit of time on that section. It'll be nice. Probably the first section I reckon I will end up plastering and airbrushing, painting, landscaping, just because it's kind of removable, bit of a test piece. And I guess if I stuff it up, then I can actually start it again. But no, that's the layout so far. So there's, as I said, the prospective township there. Going to have some viaduct archways through that section there. Have a little bit of a road potentially coming to that servo, to the shops within that area. Maybe a little bit of a loop of a road to come back out to the station section along here. Kind of a little bit of a quarry somewhat. So have a little bit of a lake / creek there, to another larger archway tunnel entrance, and it's pretty happy with it. So it looks, I'm pretty happy with it. That's how it's all turning out. Give us a like if you like it. If not, give us your opinion on it. What do you think? What do you think that I need to do in the layout to make it that much more appealing? Well, more to me, but what do you think it's lacking? What can we do? What can we do together? Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.